welcome to Nature and Entertainment on TVRC. Welcome to Wetin dey Sele once again.
Wetin dey Sele.
My own name na Oyedo Kunwaledoyin Samuel. And with me in the studio with this Ogbonge lady. Wetin be your name?
My name na Felicia or Felicity Chinyere Ibere.
Say na Felicity or Felicia,
whichever one you love to call me, it's fine.
Okay, now Felicity, welcome. And today we don't come back with Ogbonge question, with Ogbonge topic. Now wetin dey Sele you don't see again, no. We don't miss our people, and we know say you say you know don't miss us. But today, you know, we have wetin dey Sele inside marriage. Wetin dey Sele for your closet. Wetin dey Sele for the country. Wetin dey Sele for inside music and everything. But today, now wetin dey Sele inside politics. Wetin these celebrities, wetin they do for inside politics. Now the thing we want check today be that. And you know say I don't have my lady here. She sabi do things. She know wetin she know how to judge the thing well. So you are welcome.
Thank you.
But I want us to take a look into this man called Davido. Even not even Davido for now. Let's take a look at this Adeleke family for Osun State. You know the thing where they go viral, we say Osun State elections has come and that it has gone, and we see the influence of the celebrities and Davido's are portable in this election. So the thing where I want to say, wetin be that thing for Adeleke family? For Davido to have supported him, he have been supporting him way back since 4 years ago, 8 years ago. So wetin be that thing for Adeleke family?
For me, my country people, you know say for Yoruba as they talk, they always they talk say inule Latin. Catch your road day.
Wow, number one.
I know the Yoruba side they try. So what I mean, we say, you know, they say charity begins at home. If families still day together, for me, I just see as bond, family bond. As per se, Davido, they try help in family people, you know, get to that particular stage, that peak of that governorship position. Now actually na better thing my people, and na better thing maybe say make people out there emulate am, copy, you understand? Because say you know family wey dey together, family wey as they talk am for Bible, family who stays together, eat together and pray together, you know, they live together. That togetherness, that bonding, na im be koko maybe say go make family grow. Because you know say if e better for me today, e don better for my family, you understand? So maybe always the reason now. Davido don serve example for others out there to follow. If you say he just want dey do am say because he don get him money once, I think na him uncle he don do him own thing make him do it. At the end of the day, if the man cry one day, e go affect am. So na so e be. So no always dey use that one dey learn lesson. So Davido don already set better example for us. So na that bond.
And inside that family, before Davido even self become celebrity, now somebody dey push am up that time.
Exactly, na so e dey.
Now the thing say you don't join Reno Mercury we talk say we should that Davido that we should emulate from him.
Yes,
we should emulate from him.
Yes.
Wow, blood is thicker than water in this.
So
Okay, the thing I want to ask you be say again be say you see am say or say you think say celebrities they fit influence Nigeria's politics.
yeah, for me to a large extent too, because these people then be
no be say dem go inside studio do music 5 minutes.
Dem no do wetin you call them celebrity. Yeah, we gotta understand the meaning of celebrity. Celebrities on their own, they have this high level of to really influence people. They
get fans.
Especially all the youth out there, because all of us, majority of us actually dey social media. We know as they take happen for social media. So as it take be, if celebrity fit influence politics or the whatever it is,
if go inside down.
It's on large extent na better thing because you know we no forget say our country, dem be citizen for this country, number one. Number two, say they get rights to vote and to be voted for.
Yes,
sure you get. So if they don't decide say they won't go into politics, now wetin they don't get conviction of wetin dey happen for wetin dey shele for the country Naija.
Now so they know wetin dey shele for Naija. They know.
You know, so remember that answers now. you know say majority of them really come out.
Yes, majority of these celebrities they
really
come out.
Face,
Yes.
So they try let us understand say anything wey dey happen to their fans out there or their friends out there, it dey affect them too. Because if majority of their fans no really dey okay, how they go take dey go viral, like make they get enough fans.
I support it for that area. If these people, if they can influence politics in Nigeria, you know, if we have this kind of plenty jobs in there won't be anything like
so celebrity really get strong influence in Nigerian politics. So if dem wan even go for this wetin they call am now, if they wan really go campaign, maybe they wan do politics to themselves, no be big deal, no be bad thing. So because aside that, you know say they get a lot of fans.
Yes, na that one I wan talk about now.
They get crowd. If we call them say dem be celebrity, no be so. So make we always dey look, because the majority be say, the major point be say person wey wan enter politics, wey dey go do campaign, wey dey aspire for a particular position, who you go need na people na. If you no get strong pull for
I wan support you for that area. I get one celebrity there, everybody know am well well. I no wan mention him because he no pay us make we advertise for am.
Wetin dey shele?
He get up to 240 million fans. Even the population of some country no even reach that one. Wow. So if that one come show up for politics, say he want to do something for politics, and then he come get the vote of 240 million. Even how many people even dey Nigeria sef?
So now wetin we dey try talk with that, because you know see these our celebrities out there, they get strong fans out there.
Yes.
Forget anywhere they fit put, they don't, maybe be like say they don't reason now. Be like say they don't get one meeting and say politics go good, and aside that we can't get fans.
As I look at your own two eyes and say, you feel like say you won't go inside politics, but
no wasting that time. So
okay,
okay.
I know say you don't enter Davido family well because as we talk I don't see.
I still dey here, please. So if you see me out there, if you really want to help my career, or you know say we gather there, we are your people.
Okay, well,
I support your
dreams. You want help my career? This one our own program.
You don't know say I don't need their family now.
You don't
get wahala. He accepts now.
But that one no problem. Davido, you don't adopt another person into your family.
It's good though. Thank you.
But she dey chop well. Now I won't make you know that one very well. But okay, concerning the celebrity, I won't make we look at two factors for this election. We have Davido and Portable. Davido for PDP and Portable for APC. Okay. I know this man they talk say this Portable visit, they talk say they don't rip me they don't rip me here na 1 million naira dem pay me say make I come campaign for them, and the man just the wink broom, just the wink. I don't know, maybe he's still the wink now. So wetin if we talk the influence of Portable and Davido, wetin do you see, which results as in do you see? Do you think that this Portable and Davido, you know, we know that they get influence for this stuff, but one influence supersede the other?
Na so now.
So but wetin if we talk about these two people?
I want to say as Portable dey and Davido dey, they are two individuals, extreme individuals. If you want to talk about how they start their journey, you know say one go pass one.
I don't know, now you dey talk am.
No, we know how we gather know these things. One go pass one.
Okay, we gather know am.
So we know say to a large extent, person wey get farm wey plenty na Davido. Portable no be say Portable no fit still beat Davido, but it depends on how in type of person dey influence people. Your character, your type of person. Shey na from good side people dey like you, or say na bad side people see frown. Shey you understand? So we know these answers to ourselves. We gather dey because so we dey see how everything as dey take dey happen. So as it take be for now, we say if Davido dey do im own campaign, Portable sef dey do im own campaign differently for different party people. So if at the end of the day the party, na one party go win now. So if you happen say na PDP win, the point, the answer be say na him do better, Davido try. So if you listen at Portable, it's still the same thing. So na the impact, na the results go tell.
No, the thing wey you wan talk say you say Portable no do the work wey the work for the money wey
I no
collect.
say wey he no do the work. At least him do wetin dey say make him do. But for him so he dey wave and na him business. Shey you get.
Maybe the thing wey dey pay am for na to just wave.
We no know now. We no know.
And wetin I wan add to this thing be say, you know, any celebrity wey wan come out for this election, no election, he must have done something for the citizens of the country.
Exactly.
You know wetin this Davido don do? You know of recent now. He give one guy scholarship. Scholarship to Ghana.
You know, talk say one guy. Get people wey say don help now.
You don't help me. I want to carry out this because you know not tell us.
You dey help people.
Okay, make we fast for that one. Okay, now let's look at the film. You know we don't talk about the male, the occurrence, the celebrities, the occurrence. Now let's talk about the ladies, the women inside this for this politics. In the likes of Adeleke and Funke Akindele. Yes. You know, they today, you know, Portable and Davido, they are into music.
Okay. Yes.
But Adeleke and Funke Akindele, they are into Nollywood.
Exactly.
They are into film. They are into film industry. So what is these people? Film industry and Nollywood actress. What thing they see they look for? Because you two be actress.
My brother. Dem be citizen no be so. Me for my own part be say anybody wey wan do wetin feel say e good, make the person continue. For the fact say wetin you wan do na better thing, you go get people wey go try support you. But the Portable Adeleke and dem Funke Akindele, dem be women from film industry, shey you get.
Yes. And
dem get the vibe to wan really do this thing. So na another kudos to them. Say wetin a man can do, a woman can do better. Madam.
You know, I don't exhaust my time, no. I mean by the time. Okay, I just want to make you give your final maybe kudos or wetin you wan tell the celebrities out there, because if you want to lis ten, you must for yourself have something doing just within 30 seconds. Make you just talk am. Okay,
my own advice for all the celebrities out there be say I dey always dey congratulate una for na bold step to wan enter politics.
Thank you. They don't congratulate you because you don't waste my time. You don't exhaust my time. See, I enjoy this thing with you.
Thank you. And my brother.
I think say I will one day I will give you a song. So thank you very much, you and our people. Wetin dey share for your family. See us next time. Bye.